Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching by my poster. My name is Destia Rizgawati. I'm magistery degree at Universitas Pajajaran, majoring in biomolecular health and food sciences. Today, I would like to present on isolation and identification of L3.4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, L-DOPA, from velvet bean seeds, Mucuna pruriens of East Java excision, and evaluate activities and anti-Parkinson and antioxidant. Velvet bean, which is also known as karabengok, is a type of legume, a seed that is considered a plant with a good blend as a sort of nutrition and medicine. The most valuable use of velvet bean in pharmaceutical is used in the treatment of Parkinson's disease. In this treatment, L-DOPA can be used to reduce the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. L-DOPA is one of the main anti-nutritional with a higher abundance compared to the other anti-nutritional components such as phenolics, tannins, phytic acids, cyanide acids, and trypsin inhibitors. In addition, L-DOPA contained in Mucuna pruriens is a diphenolic amino acid that has antioxidant activity. So, the objective of research was directed to the amount of L-DOPA contained in velvet bean seeds of East Java excision, then determine the anti-Parkinson and antioxidant activity of isolate of L-DOPA. In this research, L-DOPA in velvet beans was isolated and identified by maceration and extraction, analytical and preparative thin layer chromatography, and adsorption column chromatography methods, and then analysis with high-performance liquid chromatography and FTIR. Then, the isolate of L-DOPA was tested for antioxidant activity using the PPH method and tested for anti-Parkinson activity using the classical MES test. The classic MES test is a simple way to evaluate protein behavior such as learning ability, memory, and anxiety. The test rats will be induced with rotenone, which is a compound that can induce Parkinson's symptoms. Then, the rats will be treated with L-DOPA isolate as a Parkinson's drug. The treatment of rats is shown in the experimental design as follows. Based on the result of the HPLC analysis are shown in Figure 1. It shows that the peak on chromatogram of isolate of L-DOPA has the same retention time value with the peak on chromatogram of standard L-DOPA. In addition, the FTIR spectrum of isolate of L-DOPA was identical to the standard L-DOPA. This showed that the isolated compound is L-DOPA. Table 1 shows the result of anti-Parkinson testing using a classic maze. The time it takes the rats to travel through the maze from the start point to the end point is a response. In this research, 3 treatments were carried out, namely training, induction, and feeding test sample. This training aims for the rats can adapt to the maze, where all test rats produce relatively the same travel time. Furthermore, induction with rotenone increases the value of the rats' travel time for each group. This is because the rats experience non-motoric Parkinson's disease related to memory and increased anxiety of rats. Then, at the feeding test sample, the rats show a decrease in travel time in the rats. The treatment of feeding L-DOPA is a period of recovery, and it can be concluded that L-DOPA has anti-Parkinson activity by reducing Parkinson's symptoms in rats. Furthermore, the test of L-DOPA as an antioxidant is shown in Table 2. Determination of the value of an antioxidant activity is carried out by determining the inhibitor concentration 50 or IC50 value. It can be seen that IC50 value of isolate of L-DOPA is smaller than ascorbic acid and methanol extract. This indicates that the antioxidant activity of isolate of L-DOPA was higher than ascorbic acid and methanol extract. And the conclusion obtained from this research are: the L-DOPA content of the extract of velvet bean seeds of East Java excision was 1.067 mg per gram dry weight. The isolate of L-DOPA of velvet bean seeds of East Java excision had anti-Parkinson activity by significantly reducing Parkinson's symptoms in rotenone-induced rats in the form of a decrease in rat travel time in the classical maze test. Isolate of L-DOPA of velvet bean seeds of East Java excision had antioxidant activity against DPPH with an activity value of 7.31 and classified as very active. And I would like to thank you all for taking time to listen to my presentation.